It's an inchworm.
Where? Oh. That is so cute. Oh my god. Brandon, can you come up to me? That is so cute.
Yeah, there's 4. I can't see.
I'll just check the camera.
I got you some food. No.
She's like, the green cup is better.
There you go.
So soft. What the hell?
You stole the goat from me.
You steal it. Watch out, he's going shit. Oh my god. Yeah.
You are so mean, Mr. Cow. Oh my god.
I got him.
Here you go. Here you go, baby. Hi. Hi, sweetie. His ear waved to me. Hey, Cal. Hey, Cal. Killed Mufasa.
Literally.
Very exciting. They're bright orange and then they have little black spots all over. This right here is one of my favorite and also one of our largest formations in the cave. This is a flow stone. Does anyone have any guesses as to why we might call it that? There's water flowing down it, right? Remember, like, geologists are very creative. What you see here, this kind of dark chocolate brown color, this is more of a pollution scar. So this is a really great example of how what we do on the surface does affect what's going on underneath. We've got our very own dragon. See the back of his head, his eyes, sticking out. His name is Rocky. So you may have noticed that we do have some stalactites in our cave. They may not be the largest stalactites that you've ever seen, but we're very, very proud of them. This is our largest stalactite. We call it our praying hands. And we think it's about 5,000 years old. So this is where we keep our cave mummy. See head, shoulders, knees, and toes. This is my personal favorite. This is our bonsai tree. I think it shows up a little bit better with a flashlight. And then this is what is called cave drapery, but we like to call it the sheep's retreat because it looks like a bunch of sheep butts running away from you.
Yeah, drop on it.
And then right up here at the top, these are our cave jellyfish or hot air balloons. I'll let you all decide.
I'll catch up to you.
Oh my god!
It's like, excuse me, I'm
It's
trying to
so cool.
We're protecting a caterpillar, sorry.
Now that I'm recording, they're not gonna blow them.
You gotta give us a second.
You look so aesthetic. But you have a reflection, so make sure you're not watching any porn on your TikToks. Because I can see what you're watching.
I don't know it.
Whoa!
Look at the goosebumps that I have.
he's gonna go. I think so.
That's
Go,
why
buddy,
he probably
go.
fell.
Go, buddy, go.
You can do it.
I don't know what he's trying to accomplish.
The nest is above us now.
Oh God, Lena, I can't record your shirt. Damn shirt.
No, the yellow was bad. Well, to be fair, I'm fitting the
You're making it as tart as possible.
You're supposed to take the pickle, hollow it out, and then you put the Takis or the Cheetos in it, and then you put the squigglies in it, and then you put the tahini and all that stuff on it, and the chamoy, and then you wrap it with a fruit roll-up,
can do.
and then you eat it.
It's a burrito.
Here, we can cheers our July. Cheers our pickles. Cheers.
Mm-hmm.
Oh wait, that's not bad. What am I nose? Wait, that's
Very tart.
good.
Very sour.
No, it's sweet. It's not even spicy. It went into my nose.
You don't like it?
I like it.
Raquel's having a blast at it. What about you, Miranda?
This is good. It's a little spicy, but it's not gross.
It's spicy from what the
Christine?
the chips.
Chips. Yeah.
Yeah. Some people let it sit inside the chamoy overnight so that it turns red.
My camera won't focus on it. It keeps focusing on the sky.
Look at.
Oh, there you go. That worked. I got him that time. Ruin his day. Don't kill his vibe.
He was crawling. He ran across the backyard so fast.
What a cutie!
Wait, if I pick him up, will you take a picture?